Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the battery shop. Today we'll show you how to replace the battery in this 2011 Toyota Venza. The battery is located right here under the hood, and it's pretty easy to get to. But before we begin, check with your manufacturer's step-by-step instructions. That way you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace a battery in a vehicle like this. Let's get started. The first step is to remove the push pins for the front plastic panel, like I'm doing on these two. Then remove the front plastic panel. With gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. Then remove the negative battery cable from the battery's negative terminal and set it off to the side. Then loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable, again using your 10mm wrench. And remove the positive battery cable from the battery's positive terminal and set it off to the side, making sure the cable doesn't touch any metal on the vehicle. The next step is to loosen and remove the fasteners for the battery's hold-down bracket, again using your 10mm wrench. And then remove the battery's hold-down bracket and J-bolt. Now we can remove the old battery and install the replacement battery. Now we can reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket and J-bolt. And tighten the fasteners. It's always a good idea to clean up any corrosion on your battery's terminals and the cable connections. The next step is to reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive terminal. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten its fastener. Then, reinstall the negative battery cable onto the battery's negative terminal and tighten its fastener. Finally, replace the front plastic panel and push pins. And we're done. Some late model vehicles have to have their replacement battery registered or coded with the vehicle's battery management system. Refer to the service and repair manual for your vehicle to see if this needs to be done. If so, check out our videos on how to do this. The links to them are in the video's description below.